Hello, thanks for stopping by my channel today, and God bless you as you subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. So also today's episode is I'm going to be teaching you step by step how you can make this shoulder pleated shoulder, and again mine is going to be attached with sleeve. So subscribe, like, comment below where you're watching this video from. So this is the pattern. I already cut out the pattern. As you can see, I already cut out this mesh net. Again, I already did one of them, one of the shoulder. So I'm just going to be showing you step by step on how I shave this exact one. So as you can see, I added a bit of allowance to this, which is half an inch on the down part and quarter of an inch on the shoulder side, which I'm going to be joining later on. So from this part, what I have here is half an inch to join it later on, and then I'll be cutting out this excess because that doesn't include with the pattern, as you can see. So I'll be joining this I'll be joining sleeve on this later on. So this is a 4 pleated stuff I've put here, which is the pleats. So this is 4. So you'll be needing 1 inches of this fabric unfold. So as you can see, I already pressed this, giving it a good press, and then you place it on your fabric like this. Just make sure the upper side is wider. So and you start arranging it. You stitch it before placing up the second one on it, so it covers the stitches you've made, and then you cut out the excess. As you can see me arranging it, following the step, following the shape of the, it's not really straight, it's like a triangular shape from the upper to the down part. So you make sure the upper side, which is the shoulder area, is wider, so it is bringing out the shape. So you stitch it like so, and then you can see the other side. You can see how I did it. So you stitch it, and then you place, after trimming it, you place another one on it. You can see, so it covers the stitch. So just as easy as you can see. So just make sure you're following the design, which is the shape. As you can see me doing, the upper side is wider than the down part, which is the chest area. So and then you cut it, and then you place it like so again. So the last one now, before doing the last one, the last one, if you don't want to add any sleeve, you can fold it like so, then you press it down with gum. But on this case, I'm going to be adding up sleeve later on, so that is why I had to stitch it on this side. Shey you get, from the chest line I stitched it, so that place will be looking neat afterwards. So and then this here, I'll be joining the sleeve into it later on. I hope you understand what I just said there. So that will be all for this tutorial. If you don't really understand it, you can watch it all over again to get a better understanding, guys. Thank you again for watching. If you haven't subscribed, kindly do subscribe to my channel. And again, I'll be adding this gum, so to stick it all together into the net. So you place it like so, so you won't see any opening. You can as well leave it like so, but I just want to put this just so it looks neat at the end of the day. As you can see how beautiful this comes out on the screen. So guys, kindly like, comment below, turn your notification bell on to get to see more videos like this. Until I see you again in the next one, guys. Bye.